Hi! Welcome Mashable India, come on in. Well, as a person, I feel like I'm someone who loves things to be very muted. Sunlight is very important to me. I like to keep it very simple, very minimal, yet keep it a little chic. And I think that's the vibe that I went for this particular apartment. This is one of the first furniture pieces that I picked up. I've changed the paint of it. It was yellow when I initially bought it. It was literally for 2,500 rupees. And I still like the fact that I can look at myself and it reminds me of where I started my journey from. This particular bar is something that I picked up from the Metal Project, a brand that I found online, on Instagram in fact. The tiniest liquor bottles that I think I have ever seen. They're damn cute. This particular glass is something that was gifted to me by my best friend. She had gone to Kenya and she had invited me on a trip and I ditched her. My most favorite shot glass has to be the New York one. As a teenager who was obsessed with watching Gossip Girl, just being in New York made it seem like, oh my god, and also Sex and the City. I think I've been recently obsessed with soju. You can see it's right here. And I've also been a bit obsessed with Tendo because I've somehow converted into a whiskey person. Classic gin and tonic is something that can never go wrong. So, you'll always find some gin. And yeah, I think I have to give credit to my father because he was the first person who, made me try my first drink. So every time at least my parents visit, it's like a ritual of us having a glass of wine together and just having a good time. This is the section where we have some great conversations, some great meals. I think I'm someone who loves hosting all of my friends. You can see this piece over here. This was in fact gifted to me by designer Rinku Sopti as one of my housewarming gifts. And she was in fact the first designer who helped me in my journey of becoming an actor. So I'm just so happy to have a piece of her in my home. This particular piece is something that I picked up from town. I just loved the fact that it's marble, it can never go wrong, it's sturdy, and I just feel like it fits very well with the aesthetic of the house. It makes it look rich yet not too much. So this is the nook where we mostly lounge and chill. If you would have noticed that nowhere in the living room would you find any gadget, and that's on purpose because I feel like just having a television or a sound system in the living room kind of takes away from the intimacy of having great conversations. This particular sofa set is something that I picked up from town, and I love the fact that even the center table has the same marble going around which matches the aesthetic of the dining area. These are basically posters that have been made by Alphonse Moha. He basically made paintings and posters back in the day. These are basically replicas of the mosaics in Gaziantep. Again, like if you go back to these murals, they're literally like 2,000 years old and they're just replicas of the same. I think this has to be the table which has a lot of memories right here. Again, like I said, I like to pick up stuff from wherever I go. I think my most favorite has to be the Lincoln statue. He has played such a huge role in history, and so this has to be one of my most favorite pieces. My best friend never fails to remind me that I didn't make that trip, so there's also something from Kenya. Now I have to take you to my most favorite spot in the house, so come on in. As you can see, I'm a hoarder, so I obviously needed space, and to possibly just survive in a wardrobe in different rooms was not technically possible, which is why I realized that it is time that I give an entire room to this. A year down the line, I might not stay here, which is why I made sure to pick up this wardrobe from IKEA because it's something you can literally build over and over again. This particular piece is something that I absolutely love because I feel like as an actor, it's very important to, for your day-to-day functioning. Hair and makeup is just so important. It's just very happy to be in a place where you can just have the right energies. So this is a piece that again I picked up from town, and I love how it's all mirror. One of my favorite perfumes has to be the Gucci Bloom. It is absolutely amazing. I also love the Gucci Flora a lot. It's the Bulgari Rose Gold. Yeah. This one is something that I think I've been using for many years now. So this pretty much is like my go-to, my everyday go-to. I really like these Burberry ones because like if you're in an all black, it's just a very, very statement piece. These Christian Dior ones, They're also amazing and they go well with what my aesthetic is. For the aesthetic of this particular room, I wanted to keep it again closer to the palette that I love. I love white, I love grey, and I'm a bit obsessed with baby pink. The piece that you see right here, it's basically a line print by Gustave. Of course, we all have been obsessed by the kiss. Like, there's just so much sadness and grief and love in this particular piece. So for my bed, considering how tiny Bombay spaces are, I wanted to make sure that I don't go too overboard with the size. So I made sure to get a queen size bed. You know, just the fact that it's grey and just pretty much goes with the color tone that I wanted for the room. I, as a kid, was someone who was not very inclined towards reading per se, but I think with time and with age, I just got more into it and I started to enjoy it. One of the books that really impacted me, especially when I was in college, I think it has to be Rupi Kaur's Milk and Honey. This is what made me feel very, very empowered as a woman, you know, especially when you're a teenager, and I felt like I had a voice. And one of the other books that I feel that really helped me was this particular book. In fact, this was a book that was given to me by my principal, Anjali Agarwal ma'am, and she in fact passed away, you know, 4 days ago. She's exactly the reason why I became an actor. This was the first award that I got, and in fact my mom went to collect this because I was shooting in Serbia. God has been kind, and there have been a few in the kitty, and I just hope it only gets better from here. Do I have my own scarf? Yes, I do. Do I have my own map? Yes, I do. I would like you all to take a little moment and be a little envious because I do. Thank you so much, Mashable. This was so much fun. I love spending the day with you, and I'm sure I'm gonna see you guys soon. Bye.